Are you a garden owner but having headaches with those pests like spider mites, aphids, and even those ants who are killing your plants? Here at Banner Media, we're gonna teach you how to make your very own organic pesticide. Making our organic pesticide, we are going to use simple materials such as 1 liter of water, 1 tablespoon of oil, and 1 tablespoon of your liquid dishwashing. Usually it is okay only for oil and the liquid dishwashing to be used as our pesticide. But in order to be more potent, we can use minced garlic as an added materials in our pesticide. Number 1 step is to mince the garlic thoroughly in order to get its extract. But first remember that chlorine is very harmful to plants. If you are going to use tap water from your faucet, remember to let dissipate the chlorine from the water for 12 hours before using it. In my case, I use the combination of tap water and rainwater which I collected during this rainy season for my organic pesticide. Step number 2, get a 1 tablespoon of oil and pour it in the 1 liter of water. Expert in the gardening says that the oil clogs the body of small insects, making them hard to breathe and fly, thus in the process kills them. Step number 3, pour 1 tablespoon of liquid dishwashing to your 1 liter of water. The chemicals of our daily liquid washing soap is very harmful to insects, but when used with huge amounts can also potentially kill our plants. So be very careful in using it in our pesticide. Step number 4, pour the extract of the minced garlic to the 1 liter of water. Make sure not to include the garlic cloves in our concoction. If necessary, use a strainer in extracting the liquid. As an alternative to garlic, we can also use pepper as an ingredient to our organic insecticide. Number 5. After all ingredients are poured in the 1 liter of water, shake it well in order for the ingredients to mix. Expert gardeners advise to use the organic pesticide during at night when it is cool in order for the leaves not to burn. For more gardening tips, please subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell.